Don't pull the park up. Okay?
I found the electric crossing over the roadways here, but the first car to pull up at the Trolley parade is the 4391. While we're waiting for the next car to pull up to the viewing area, there's the signal for it. And now pulling into the viewing area is the Illinois Terminal 415. 415 last operated June 22nd, 1958, on the Illinois Terminal Suburban series of cars that are running tested in the room here at the Trolley parade are the urban cars. The first set, the first ones that the North Shore line, the second set was the Hollow Round. The urban space were
that was a mild one.
Yeah.
You'll notice that the cars have very distinctive whistles, and that's because all of these systems have grade crossings, numerous grade crossings where they went. And also the lower engine was known as the Great Third Rail. If you lived in those western suburbs, you respected the third rail. The third rail is the power rail. It's when the same curves and go into the same stations that the elevated trains went into. For our next entry in the trolley parade are linked elevated cars from the Chicago Rapid Transit Company and CPA. You know, back in the old days, the elevated company and the streetcar company used to come. I didn't scare too many kids with that one. Imagine what it was like right back in the old days, if you were driving an automobile and you were on the streetcar tracks or blocking the streetcar from moving, the streetcar... Well, we're not going to quite make 2 o'clock. We're at which came from the Miami Valley RTA, the system that runs the Dayton, Ohio transit system. This was built in 1977 by the Dwyer Company in Winnipeg, Manitoba.